Hello everyone. It's Friday and I am here at the office of a friend. Actually, this is the law office, the Basco law office. So I just dropped by um, because my Wi-Fi is not working at home. So I have to enroll my SSS and hopefully ay maging okay na siya para by Monday pagpunta ko sa SSS pa niya to follow up kung okay na ba yung enrollment ko for disbursement. And this is it. It's already 6 o'clock. So, off na yung mga tao dito. Yung mga nag-work dito. Nandiyan lang si Ate Lydia sa labas at saka si Heights. So it's beginning to look like Christmas. Oh, la 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 la. Diba? So, during Christmas dito, before may mga Christmas parties and other parties during mga birthdays, dito ginagawa. Dito nga pala to sa Midland Plaza. We've been through a lot here. Yung nag-start pa lang ako sa pagiging OFW Family Club and then public service. It is here at the office of Attorney Vasco that I had given the chance to be um, to experience the legal works, and this is where I get the experience and the knowledge that I've known and I've experienced and I have um, used in the legal world. Like yung mga attending hearings, pag wala si sir na available na pupunta, just to reset the schedules. Kaya dito sa Evasco Law Office, marami talaga akong experience. Huwag lang multo. Huwag na lang. Kasi dito talagang busy. Busy to pag daytime, especially noon. Yung mga travel agency pa, tsaka yung mga iba pang mga lawyers nandito. So, this is the world of law. Dito, yung mga gusto matuto ng mga legal works. Kasi yung iskraya, no, yung library ni sir ng mga iskra. Ang haba niyan, ang rami niyan. O, so, hindi ko na papakita yung ceiling kasi affected na yung area. Siyempre, hindi natin gaanong hawak ang ng condo unit, condo, condo na to. Mataas tong Midland Plaza Hotel. May hotel pa to sa taas, pero puro condos yung iba. Hanggang ewan ko ano bang floor to. Tapos opposite this Midland Plaza ay yung 40th floor. Diyan dun sa ano yun. Dun sa opposite nitong Midland Plaza ay yung 40th floor na pogo ang business. So some of the foreigners now who used to stay at the upper floor overlooking daw before yung Manila Bay. So now, yun yung Dolomite Beach. Pero now, since meron na siyang Pogo building diyan sa tapat, ayun, hindi na yung iba nag-alisa na. So, maraming nabenta na rin dito, tsaka umayaw na. Dahil nga, hindi mo na makikita yung panoramic view ng at saka sunset view ng sunrise and sunset view ng Manila Bay, ng Dolomite. Kasi natakpan na siya ng Pogo Building. Just tapat. Yan. So, this is how life is talaga. Dumarating na rin tayo sa puntong tapos na pandemic. So, nagka-catch up pa rin tayo. Marami rin dito sa Midland Plaza ang wala na rin mga nagre-rent na mga daming tenant dito dati. Yung iba binibenta na yung mga recruitment agency dyan. Binibenta na. Kasi nga wala na yung mga Yan nga pala yung Johnson. Yan yung tapat na yan. Ayan. Yan yung Johnson. Dito yung mga beauty clinic, mga augmentation, yan. Chin augmentation, breast augmentation. Dito yung mga beauty titleist na nagpupunta. So, ay nagpapagawa ng mga beauty, pang-pa-beauty. Doon pala yung Pogo na sinasabi ko. Doon sa kabilang yun. Ayan, building na yun. At sa dami ng mga rooms dito na mga hindi na wala na wala na mga office. Ito bago lang. Kay attorney pa rin to. Pero may travel agency dyan, tapos nandyan rin yung foundation ni Bolkia. Nandito rin yung Buenas Hotel Services, tapos Equatorial Manors, Mechanic Construction, kina Ate Lydia yan, yung engineering construction company who have done a lot of projects abroad, internationally. And I have already vlogged Ate Lydia, who is the owner of the Equatorial Manors Mechanical Construction Incorporated. Well, Buenas Hotel naman Services used to stay here, used to have an office here also, but she transferred. That is hotel services naman. Training services. So here we have a lot of lawyers. Lawyers of Ibasco and partners. It was established here since 1977. And now we have the Chang Law Office, Attorney Abelardo Timaco. So a lot of lawyers are here also. So this is how life is. So I'll see you again on our next video. So this is how I had I have gotten my experience when it comes to law practice or yung mga legal services. I just do the marketing, and sometimes before I had the experience of being in the law of in the attending the hearings of the in the court. So this is how your legal consultant became the your Tita Amelia kwentista now. So puro kwento lang, 'di ba? I've started my legal experience here at the Law Office of Attorney Ibasco, Rogelio Ibasco. So good night everyone, and we'll see you again on our next video.